Hello, friends and family. Just had a few minutes and I thought I'd take you on a little tour through our shop and what we're going to turn into the apartment and kind of show you where we've been staying. Um, Kind of a windy day right now, and we got a bunch of rain and thunderstorms and stuff last night, but trying to work inside a little bit today and get a little bit more going on in our apartment. Here we go. So starting inside the north end of our shop here, we've got just kind of everything piled up right now. Got everything in a mess, but we're trying to get things sorted out. And in the meantime, we've got to get to tools and work on stuff, and just seems like we can't ever get on top of getting things organized and put together. But we're making do. We're doing pretty good. And here's where we're going to make the apartment. This room right here will be the kitchen. We finally got everything gutted out in here. There was wall paneling kind of like that right there all over these walls, and they were insulated with ground up newspaper, cellulose insulation, I think they call it, just blown in. That was a mess to get out of here. You can see we still have a couple bags of it here. But down this little bit of a hallway, right here's the bathroom. This is where Corey's been doing all of her dishwashing and everything else, because that's the only sink that we have on the place. Right here, you can see I'm tearing out what used to be a wall right across right here. There was a big door here, and then everything past this wall was all storage. But we're going to turn that into, this right here is going to be the living room. That big door right there used to be over here where this wall is that I'm tearing out. And over this way is going to be the bedroom. The big opening right here is going to be a big sliding, kind of a barn door type of a thing. Then behind that wall right there will be the closet. Going to have lots of lights in here and make it pretty bright, because Corey's solar powered, so on these dreary days we got to have lots of light. Going through this big door back out into the shop. This is where we've been staying, living life in a camper, and because of some plumbing issues that we have in there, we don't have any water or anything in there, so we've been using the bathroom and the sink and everything in the bathroom. So that's kind of it. Right now we've got the white pickup on life support. The batteries are starting to go on it, and I've got to get some new batteries bought for it, but it'll be up and going here pretty soon. Over here I've kind of got all the woodworking and framing tools and chainsaws and stuff, anything to do with woodworking. And it's a total mess right now. Like I say, we just keep piling up piles when we grab tools and bring them back, and just kind of pile them up. Seems like every other day or so I'm having to clean that bench off so I can work on something. And then within a short time it gets all cluttered back up. But we've got a bunch of storage up there, and then the loft up above the apartment is all storage. And right here where this bathroom door is right here used to be just a solid wall. We put that door in, and the panel right above it used to be missing, and that's where the stairs were to go up into the loft area above the apartment. We moved those stairs back over this way, and then we put that bridge in where all the pants are hanging, so that you can go either left or right and go up into the loft area. Back inside the apartment here, this is the front door that goes out onto our patio. Let's see if I can do this. Right now we've got pretty high winds, so hopefully you can hear me out here. But that's all the bags of insulation that we pulled out of the apartment. This is our view out the front of the apartment. And right now Corey's out kind of that direction, putting some fence up for the cows over in the trees, so she can get them moved this afternoon. So nothing too fancy, but just kind of a short tour. You can kind of see what we're doing here. I'm going to probably cut this part of the video short, but I will add a little bit on here so you can see some of the things that we've been doing outside and some of the new discoveries that we found, the blooming trees and just some of the exploring that we've done on our property this spring, and hopefully we'll get to show you a little bit more of that soon. That's a nice bass. What do you think of them apples? About 18 inches.